Well, hello guys. It's Donna from Flavors with a Twist. And how are my flavor twisters doing today? I hope that you're doing well. What we're going to do today, flavor twisters, we are going to put a twist on an old family recipe. We're going to do a peach cobbler, and we're going to do it the Flavors with a Twist way. Now in front of you are all the delicious ingredients that I'm going to use. Over in this bowl, I have two 12-ounce bags of frozen peaches. I let them thaw and I drained them. I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of vanilla. I have a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. And over here I have a cup of BISQUICK, a cup of milk. I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I have a stick of butter. So these are the delicious ingredients that we're going to use, guys. And this is a quick and easy recipe. And we're going to get started. First of all, we're going to mix up our BISQUICK mix, and then we'll mix up our peaches. Be right back. Okay, guys, first of all, we're going to take that cup of BISQUICK and pour it in. And now I'm going to put in the half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to give that a slight mix. Okay. And now we're going to pour in our cup of milk. We're going to make the batter for the cobbler crust, yeah. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Because I'm good for mixing up stuff and you can't even see me on camera. Okay, let me move these out the way and I'll bring our casserole dish down. Okay, now, okay, looks like it's mixed pretty good. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take some of this butter and pour it in the casserole dish. And the rest I'm going to pour right in the batter. Okay. Alrighty. Now, mix this butter in. And we're going to pour the batter right into the dish. Okay. Alrighty. Now just pour it in the dish. Okay. And it's dripping off of my spatula. Okay, there we go. Get it all in there. Now, we'll set this to the side. And we're going to mix up our peaches. Okay, guys. Now, first of all, what I do with my peaches, I take that lemon juice, a tablespoon of the lemon juice, and I put that over the peaches. This is the way my mom always did it. And I couldn't find any ripe peaches, so I just said I'll get the frozen. I'd rather use these than the can. Okay. Now, you want to take that teaspoon of cornstarch and put that over also. Okay. It's just for a little thickener, that's all. Now put in the cinnamon and the nutmeg. And I'm going to put that half a teaspoon of vanilla over there. Just for a little flavoring, that's all. Okay. Yeah, smells good. Now we're going to dump in the half a cup of brown sugar. And it's light brown sugar. And the half cup of white sugar. Okay. Here we go. Can you see this? Yes, you can. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up. It smells so good, guys. You can smell that cinnamon and nutmeg. Smells delicious. And we're just going to spoon this over the batter that we did. And that's all to it. And you just bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. So that'd be 45 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven. But I will check it at 45 to see how it's going. Look at that, guys. Okay. Now, let me move these out the way. What we want to do is bring that batter back down here. And I'm going to take a knife and just stir it in. Just swirl it around like that. Okay, make sure that the batters distribute to there. Yeah. And the butter. That's what you want. Okay, that should be it, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is spoon these peaches over that batter. Can I do it with this spoon? I should be able to. And just put them in. There's no right or wrong way to do this. And you can see the syrup. You see that, guys? Look at that. Yum. And this should make a delicious peach cobbler, guys. Okay. Yummy. I can't wait till this gets done. Woo! And you can serve it with ice cream or whatever you want. Me, I'll just be eating it like this. That's how I do it. Now, I know my oldest son, he got to have ice cream with everything. He don't care whether it's apple pie or what kind of pie. He's eating him some ice cream. Okay. And that was enough peaches, too. Also, I'm trying to see where to put this one at. I'll just throw you in there. Yum. Just pour it like that. The rest of the sugary juice out of there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. And guys, what I want to show you, these are the peaches that I brought right here. And it's just a 12-ounce pack. And I brought 2 of them and I let them thaw in the refrigerator. And that's what I have here. And I drained them. Okay. So what we're going to do, look at this. Yum. We're going to put this in the oven And it's already preheated at 375, and we're going to bake this, like I said, for 45 to 60 minutes. See you then. Well, hi guys, I'm back. And our cobbler was in the oven for exactly 45 minutes. I took it out and I let it sit for like 10 minutes because it was bubbling hot. Now let's taste the piece. Look at this, guys. And look at the peaches and the crust. Okay. Yum. Now, we get a fork, and hopefully I'll be able to eat it because it's really hot. Look at this, guys. Doesn't that look good? Yum. Let's taste the peach. Oh my goodness, guys. Once again, I put my foot in it. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Oh my. You could taste the butter, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, and even a hint of vanilla. Oh, you have to make this for your family, guys. You're really going to love this. And the peaches is nice and tender. This is really a delicious recipe. So, this is Flavors with a Twist, my version of a peach cobbler pie. Try this for your family. And what I want to tell you guys again, you could pick up my cookbook, Flavors with a Twist at Home Chef. It's on Amazon, and it is now on Ingram Sparks, Barnes & Noble, and Thrift Books. So it's in 3 different formats. This is a hard copy. It comes in a paperback, or you could download the ebook. So pick one up today, guys. So this is Donna from Flavors with a Twist. Bye.